Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I am Anna Vanila and this is a channel where I share everything that I know with you. I share all my experiences and all my knowledge in knitting and crocheting. For today we've got this knit stitch, which is very pretty, very easy to do, and it's easy even for beginners to be doing such a wonderful stitch. I've got 18 loops, 18 stitches on the needles. Needles are size number 5. This yarn is acrylic and very easy to make even for beginners because it's got yarn over. It creates open work in this pattern, so it's very easy to do. This is the front side, this is the wrong side, this is the back, and to know which side is correct you can place a marker on the front. And yeah, there we go. So let's try and do this together. I've got the right needle. I grab the first loop. I don't need the first loop. Next 2 loops are purl stitches, so 1 purl, second purl, then 2 we knit like so, not like from the inside from the right to left, but from left to right, like so. 2 together from left to right, yarn over, then so yarn over, we need 1 front stitch, simple as usual, front stitch, yarn over, 2 together but from right to left, so 2 together with a front stitch from right to left, then 2 purl stitches, 1 purl, second purl. So we repeat 2 from left to right, we knit together with a purl stitch like so, and we release it. Then we do yarn over, we hold it in place, we knit 1 front stitch, yarn over, another one we hold in place, and 2 together from right to left, from the inside we grab the 2 loops and we knit it with a front stitch, 2 purl stitches, and then the last is also a purl stitch as always. So all I forgot to do is to tell you that you can before you start this pattern, this stitch, you shall cast on to the needles as usual, and then you knit front stitches, 2 rows front stitches, so front stitches on the front and front stitches on the back, on the wrong side, and then you can start doing this pattern, and it should work out for you quite well. It shall be enough to make this pattern work. So This is the second row. We grab the first loop, we do not knit it, we grab it. We need 2 front stitches, because in the previous row they were 2 purls. On the wrong side they become front stitches, so 2 front stitches. Now we need 5 purl stitches, and you can actually check whether this pattern that you do knit is correct by checking how many purls are on the back of the work, on the wrong side of the work. So it needs to be 5 purls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the yarn overs we also knit it with a purl stitch. So 2 front stitches and then 5 purls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we do 2 front stitches, and the last one we always knit it with a purl stitch. And that's how is the back row. On the back row, to make your job easier, you just follow what it has on the front. So if you see front stitches, you knit front stitches. If you see purl stitches, you knit with a purl stitch. So it's as easy as that. And then again we repeat from 1 to 2 rows, so we do not knit the first loop. We do 2 purls and then we do 2 together like so, yarn over, 1 front stitch, yarn over, 2 together this way, 2 purl stitches, and so on. And you basically repeat 1 row, first row and second row, and you get this stunning look for anything you'd like to do. You can do cardigans, you can do tops, crop tops for summer is fantastic to use this pattern, and you can just do anything you would ever imagine, even hats. This would be fantastic. So there is no limit what you can do with this pattern. You can just play around and try on a lot of things and see whether it goes and how it goes, and see for yourself which yarn is the best for this and how does it work, how does it look like. And you could do cardigans, you can do probably even blankets for babies, anything you prefer really. It's no ending to what you can create with this stitch. So I hope you like this stitch, and please tag me and publish your work, which will make me feel very proud if you use these stitches that I upload on my channel. So stay tuned for another videos. Please subscribe, please like my videos, and leave comments below about all sorts of ideas maybe and opinions that you might have. So thank you very much for stopping by, and see you soon in my next video. Love you all. Bye bye.